Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about how a cash dispensing machine works step by step. First, the user inserts a card or sends a withdrawal request to the machine. Then, the user enters the required amount, and the machine receives the cash withdrawal instruction. Next, the machine connects with the banking system for authorization. At this stage, it checks the account balance, verifies the PIN, and confirms whether the transaction is approved or not. After approval, the control system inside the machine selects the correct cash cassette. Different cassettes store different note values, so the machine chooses the cassette that contains the required banknotes. Then the note-picking process begins. Pick rollers pull one note at a time from the selected cassette and move it toward the transport path inside the machine. After that, sensors check whether only one note has been picked. If two notes are stuck together, the double note detection system identifies the problem and separates or rejects the extra note. Next, the machine counts and verifies the notes. It checks the size, thickness, movement, and total number of notes to make sure the correct amount is being prepared for dispensing. Then, the counted notes are stacked neatly in the presenter section. This part organizes the cash and moves it toward the output slot or presenter tray. Finally, the cash is dispensed to the user. The machine updates the transaction record and may show or print a confirmation message. So, in simple words, a cash dispensing machine works by receiving a withdrawal request, verifying the transaction, selecting the correct cash cassette, picking and checking notes, counting them accurately, and then safely delivering the cash to the user. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.